Hello and welcome to this new video on how to make a faceless TikTok video. So if you're new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So first thing first is to open a TikTok application. It is available in both Play Store as well as the App Store. And when your TikTok has been completely loaded, then in the bottom there is an navigation or taskbar and there is a plus sign. You just have to click on that plus sign and post section will appear right in front of you. Here is the camera section. So instead of using your camera, you can just go to the upload section that is in the bottom right corner. As you can see, you can just click on the upload section and you can choose a background for a video. And when you have chosen the background for a video, you can just press the start the record that is on the middle of the screen or the bottom part of the screen. You can just click on that and you will be able to start recording by keeping your background, and by recording it will only record your voice and your face won't be recorded because you have already added an background image. So this is how you can make a faceless TikTok videos. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.